I think that's mine.
Alright, so the first event of the day is going to be 2x2. I'm hoping for solves maybe around 7 seconds, kind of. If I get anything under 5 seconds, then that'll be good. But anything over 10 seconds, and that's pretty bad for me. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm hoping for at least. Ready. Ready.
8 seconds.
Ready. Ready. Let's go, man. PR. Ready. Nice. Come on. Ready. Let's go. Come on, man. Okay, so we just finished up with 2x2 round 1. It went pretty well for me. I got a new PR single, like 2.4 second time. It was pretty good. Wasn't really expecting it because the first half of the average was pretty bad. I got like 2 7 or 8 seconds times was pretty bad, and then I got like 2 5 second times. So next up is 3x3 round 1. My expectations aren't really that high. I'm hoping for maybe like sub 15-ish. If I can get a sub 10, that would be great. But if not, it is what it is. You know, you can't always win them all. But yeah, hopefully we do well in 3x3. Ready? Ready?
Seconds.
Yes. Ready.
I messed up. I should do something.
Wait, I'll be happy with that. Like the first time.
7 practice. Just like,
Ready?
yeah, thank you, appreciate it.
8 seconds.
Oh, close, close. Ready?
Eight seconds.
Okay, 3x3 is done. It went pretty well for me, I guess. Like, I didn't get any bad times. Everything was under 15 seconds, which I was kind of hoping for. And I got a 10.5. I was really hoping it was sub 10, but it was still pretty good regardless. The average overall was like 13 seconds, and so that's like kind of average for me. It's not too bad, not too great, but I'm happy with it at least. So the next event is going to be Pyraminx round 1. I'm hoping for maybe like solves around 10 seconds, maybe sub 10. If it's over like 12, 13 seconds, then that's probably going to be pretty bad for me, but hopefully it should be around that like 10-second mark. Hopefully like under that kind of. If I get anything around like 6 seconds around that kind of time, then I'd be pretty happy with that, so yeah. Ready? Oi. Ready? Eight. Ready? Ready. Ready. Alright, so we just finished up with Pyraminx and I did okay. I got like an 8 or 9 second average and that was fine enough for me. No solves over 10 seconds, so that is good. Nothing under 5 seconds, which kind of sucks. I wanted something under 5 seconds, but we take what we get and, you know, we move on. So next up we have Scube. I'm hoping for maybe some sub 10 times. Anything over 15 seconds about would be pretty bad, but hopefully I get everything under that. Ready? Ready.
I just about dropped it during my sledge. So I just went to slow down, finish the turns. It's the same scramble I just did.
Ready. That's not my skill.
I think that's mine.
You top?
Yeah.
I think so.
Because I just did the same scramble and it's not my skill.
Have you turned the skip yet?
Not at all.
feel free to turn it because you're already like we're already in this situation.
I wasn't sure
Okay.
it was the
No,
I can turn
turn
it?
it. Yeah, you can turn it. Is that yours?
No, not at all.
Swap them.
I can tell by the
Yeah.
logo it's not mine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Alright, that's an easy solution. You both
Yeah.
get extras.
Okay, cool.
Although, wait, did you complete the solve?
I stopped the timer with a DNF finish because I realised.
Okay.
I kept solving because I was like, wait, this is
Yeah,
also
no,
the
no,
same
you're both
scramble.
getting extras, and you're both on. Wait, hold on.
Both on solve. So you would
No,
have
you're
had the
not.
wrong scramble anyway because that was the second one twice.
No,
that
he
I just
wouldn't
got.
have.
I got the second one twice.
I've got it on camera. Ready?
Hates you.
Ready? Ready?
8 seconds.
Alright, so for Scube, I got like an 8.8 second single and like a 10-second average. I was hoping for sub 10, but you know, it didn't happen, but it is what it is. So we've got 4x4 next. I'm not too worried about how my results are gonna go because I'm not really into big cubes that much. I don't really practice them much at home, but I'd love to make cutoff. It's around, I think, 1 minute 30. But I'm not sure how it'll go because I've been averaging like around that kind of time at home. So we'll see how it goes. If I make cutoff or not, I'm not too bothered, but yeah. Ready?
My wrist is really like this.
assault going on.
Oh yeah.
That one, so I don't know how I'm gonna go here.
So what do you think about this?
I mean, as long as we don't do square one, I'm happy.
Square one's my favorite event.
Alright, I mean, if we have to do it, I will go home. It's fine.
Okay, nice to know.
That's my take.
What do you have to say? What do you think about this evacuation?
It's a tragedy.
It's nice and cool outside. I'm having fun.
What do you guys think about the square one today? Are we gonna do it or what?
Hopefully not.
Everyone keeps saying that.
What
I want to do square one.
Poor Ethan Carlim and poor Aaron Espiritu and poor you.
For me, bro. Amy, do you have anything to say about this evacuation?
Dog, my chicken tenders are inside. This better not be a real fire, dog.
The most important thing is the chicken
I want my
tenders.
chicken tenders.
This is a tragedy.
Yeah.
What do you think about this evacuation?
I'm really scared.
You're scared?
Yes, I'm scared.
Do you think something's gonna happen? Is it gonna explode? Burst into flames?
I don't think it'll explode. It can't be that bad.
You're scared. What are you scared of? What do you think is gonna happen?
I have no idea. I just feel like something's gonna happen.
You've just got that feeling?
Yeah.
You know, fair enough. So we've just had to emergency evacuate the building, which is crazy. I was in the middle of 4x4, did one solve, and then the siren started going, and we had to just leave the building, which is crazy. But we're going back in now, hopefully to finish the rest of 4x4. And then after that should be one-handed, which I'm pretty excited for, because I did actually practice for that event. So yeah, should be good. Ready?
Yeah, we can start now.
Did you say we can start now?
Yeah.
Alright, so 4x4 is done after a slight setback. I didn't do as well as I hoped. I didn't make cutoff. I got like a 155 and then a 145, and the cutoff was 130, so like I wasn't even close, to be honest. I really thought I could make it, but I just didn't practice at all, so I was just so rusty during the round. Next up is 3x3 one-handed, so that should be good. Ready?
Ready.
Ready. Ready. Finally, bro. That's good.
Ready.
I saved the average. Still double PR. Alright. Alright, so we've just finished 3x3 one-handed, the second last event of the day. It went alright for me. I got some solves that were like over 30 seconds, which was pretty bad, and I was pretty unhappy about that. But then I saved it in the second half of the average, and I managed to get a sub 30 average, which is good. I was kind of hoping for that. I was hoping I could do better, but that's good enough for now. It's a double PR and of like 23 single and then 29 average. But yeah, next up we have Square One, which is my most anticipated event. I've been waiting all day for this because I've been practicing Square One a lot. I've been trying to get a lot better. I've been learning cube shape. And I'm getting like most of the way there, so I'm really hoping I can do well in this. Oh, look a bit. I'm really hoping I can do well in this event. If I can, I'm hoping to make finals, but it's going to be really tough because there's a lot of strong competition. You need kind of like a sub 20 average, and that's what I'm going to be hoping for, but it's probably going to be more like sub 25, about like 20 to 25 seconds. As for the single, if I can get something under 20, like that'll be good. 15 seconds is like my personal record, like at home. So anything near that would be amazing, but yeah, I'll just try my best. Ready.
Right-handed 4x4. If you have these two blocks here ever, you do F sexy, like F sexy, you do F sexy. Yeah, it'll always give you something with blocks. So yeah, for sure.
Ready. You can just place it down and I'll get somebody to help. Yeah.
Right, if you need to keep running, I can wait for Lockie. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, no stress. Yeah. Yeah, it's just lucky.
Okay, that's pretty good.
30. Congratulations.
Ready.
Found the strat. But yeah, so do I literally just need to sit there and
You can make it way more tolerable by making it less long and giving yourself.
last lot.
Yeah, that's how I practice last level.
Oh, so you give inspection so you train yourself to actually
Yeah, like it's
recognise, look ahead to.
exactly. Yeah, I mean it's not
Yes,
specifically the purpose
go.
of it is like to
Congrats.
look at.
Ready.
Four other solves. It's not that one.
8.
I do it.
So unfortunately, my camera died in the middle of my final solve of the square one average yesterday, so that's kind of unfortunate. But the average overall went pretty good. I got a PR single and a PR average, so I'm happy about that. The single was like 18 seconds, and it could have been better, but that's still pretty good, at least. I needed like a sub 20 average to get into finals, and I got 13th, and I was top 12 to get into finals. So that was a bit sad, but it's alright, I guess. That just means we have to keep on improving for the next competition. So 2x2 round 2, I'm hoping to get maybe some like 5-second times, hopefully. I don't think I'll get a record single because in the first round I already got one, but maybe I can get a good enough average around like 5 or 6 seconds, then that'll be pretty good for me, I guess. Apart from that, as long as I don't get any times over 10 seconds, then that'll be good enough and I'll be happy with that. Two by two went pretty good. All my times are under 7 seconds, so I'm happy with that. The average was around like 5 seconds, 5.5, I think. But yeah, I'm still pretty happy with that. I'll take what I get. So for 3x3 round 2, I would love to get another sub 10, but that doesn't really seem like it's gonna happen. It's probably gonna be pretty rare because I don't really get a lot of sub 10 times, and especially under the pressure of the competition, I just don't think it'll happen. But if it does, then it'll be pretty awesome. Apart from that, times around 12 seconds, something like that, that would be pretty good. Anything over 15, I guess, then that'll be not very good, but hopefully it's all under 15 seconds. And yeah, hopefully the average is around like 12 seconds kind of thing. I do have potential to break the record average of mine. It's around 12 seconds, but we'll see how it goes. So 3x3 went pretty good. All my times were under 15 seconds, which I'm happy about. With a 11-second single, could be better, but I'm still pretty happy with it. Next up is 5x5, but I'm not doing that. So after that is Pyraminx. For Pyraminx, I'm hoping for like a sub 10 average probably. And then like solves around 7 seconds, that'll be probably pretty good for me. So yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. Ready.
Yeah. That's double on a lucky scramble. Oh, 4.53, that's very double. Oh, nice. Oh, huge. That's it. I'm
Ready.
old, for cubing terms. But I'm not that old. I'm one of the youngest delegates. Do you think I'm older or younger than Zach? Yeah. But how old do you think I am, if you had to guess? On like
Ready.
1 or 2 events. And that's it. And at the moment for me, it's like, it's just been 7x7. So but then I won that, so that's good. Not washed. And then everything this weekend is just a bonus.
So you go to Fiji National Football?
I am going to Fiji and Tonga and Samoa. Yeah.
Ready.
I'll give you some skewed tricks, okay? If you ever have, in this case, one move and it's a U-turn.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
what I
good.
Ready. Alright, so Pyraminx is all done. It didn't really go that great, but it is what it is. I got like a 6-second time and then like multiple times that were over 10 seconds. So it's pretty rough, but it is what it is. Next up we have Scube though. So for Scube, my main goal is probably just to get like a sub 10 average. If I get like a single around like 6 or 7 seconds, I think that'll be pretty good. Yeah, if I get like anything over about 15 seconds for Scube, then that'll probably be like pretty bad for me. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Ready. Ready. Ready.
Oh my god. 8 seconds.
Ready. Ready. Yeah.
I was locked in.
So Scube round 2 went about as good as round 1. I got like a 8-second single and an 11-second average. Not great, but we take it. So next up is 3x3 one-handed, which is the last event of the day. So I'm hoping for maybe like sub 30. But yeah, let's just finish out.
And
Ready.
then I got a warning, and then I went to the comms.
the marathon. Sorry? And then I went to the marathon with the long one. Yeah, the one. And then until now.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
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 From like, say, 2 years ago.
Cheers, bro.
My digital footprint, like, there's a lot of it that's fine, but like, there's like a small amount of it that's
Ready.
Eight seconds.
Ready.
8 seconds.
Ready. Uh, 3x3 one-handed actually went pretty good. I got a double PR. The average was like 28 seconds, sub 30, so I'm happy with that. And then the single was about like 23, so that's pretty good for me. Yeah, I'll take those any day of the week. All right, everyone, that concludes the WA State Championships 2025. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe.